Hi, this is Dr. Zavosh, and today I'll be showing you how to treat your shin splints by stretching your leg muscles. Shin splints usually is the result of running, hiking, and sport injuries, which happens in the front lateral side of the leg muscles. And in this video, I'm gonna go over series of stretches and I'm gonna show you how to treat your shin splints. Okay, let's begin. I'm going to stretch by stretching my calf muscle. Basically, you stand close to a wall, you hold on to it, and the leg that you want to stretch will go behind. Make sure the heel and the foot is completely flat on the floor, and you're going to be leaning forward. Make sure the knee is straight and the foot is completely flat. You hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. You can kind of replace your foot for better support. You hold it again for 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, you're gonna change your leg position. So again, you're gonna hold on to the wall, and then the other leg goes completely to the back. Again, make sure the heel and the foot is completely flat to the floor, and you lean forward. And if you want, you can actually reposition your foot for better support, and you hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you're done, you're gonna be repeating this 4 to 5 times. The next stretch, again, you stand in front of the wall, you hold on for support, you take the leg that you want to stretch the calf, you take it one step back. This one, you're gonna bend both knees, and you're gonna lean forward, just like this one. And you should feel the stretch there. You hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. Sometimes you can push it for 30 seconds. When you are done, you stand. Change your foot position, and you're going to bend both knees, and you're going to be leaning forward. And you should be feeling the stretch on the calf muscles on the back leg. Same thing, you hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds, and you're going to be doing this 4 to 5 times each day. The other stretch for the calf muscle, you come close to a wall, the leg that you want to stretch the calf muscle on comes, and you basically bend your ankle like this. You lean your foot against the wall, and you're going to be leaning forward. Make sure the knee is straight and the foot is completely torn up, and you kind of lean into it. You hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. You should be feeling the stretch around here. When you are done, you switch legs. Same thing. You bring your toes all the way up. You lean it against the wall, and you're going to be leaning forward, and you hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, you're going to be repeating this 4 to 5 times. The other stretch for the shin muscles is you sit in a low platform, something like this, or a stool. And again, as a reminder, shin muscles are muscles that they run alongside your legs, and they can get very tight, very painful with sports like cycling, hiking, running, and they can get very tense and very painful. And this is one of the best way to stretch them. You sit, you keep your knees kind of straight, you put your feet shoulder length apart. What you will do is that you're gonna basically push your toes all the way down as far as they can go, and you're gonna bring your toes, not your legs, but you're gonna turn your toes together, and you're gonna push them down further. And you should feel a very nice stretch from toes all the way up here. If you're not feeling them, just kind of reposition your legs and push your feet down more into the floor to give it more stretch, and bring your toes forward. When you start feeling the stretch, you hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then you relax it, and then you repeat this position again 4 to 5 times each day. The other stretch that is very effective for the shin splints is stretching your IT band, because it goes all the way and attaches to the knee. So what you will do is that you come close to a wall. For your support, you use your forearm, you lean it against the wall, and the leg that you want to stretch the IT band will go this way. Make sure the knee is straight, and you're going to be leaning forward towards the wall, and you should feel this nice stretch on the outside of your thigh. You hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, you come up and then you're gonna switch sides. Basically, again, you use your forearm for a support. The leg that you want to stretch goes behind the other one. Make sure the knee is straight and you're going to be leaning forward close to the wall, and you should feel a nice stretch here. You hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, you're going to be repeating this again 4 to 5 times. Stretching your quad muscle also helps to treat your shin splints, and one of the simplest way is you lean against the wall for support, you grab your ankle and you're going to bring it all the way back. Make sure your upper body is straight, so you don't want to hold it like this. You want to keep your upper body straight, and you're going to pull your ankle all the way back. You hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds, and the other version is you can actually pull it out and back. Same thing, you hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, slowly let your foot down and you turn into the other side. Same thing, you hold for support, you grab your ankle, you bring it all the way up, make sure the upper body is straight, and you hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then you can bring it out and back. Same thing, hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, let it down gently and repeat this 4 to 5 times each day. The other stretch that helps for treating the shin splints is stretching your hamstrings. And one of the good ways to stretch your hamstrings is you stand, the leg that you want to stretch the hamstring of, it goes behind the other leg, and you're going to be reaching for your toes as far as you can go, and you should feel the stretch along here. Hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Very easily stand up, switch sides, and you go all the way down and try to touch your toes as far as you can go, and you should feel a nice stretch behind your thigh. Hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, slowly come up and try to do this 4 to 5 times. This is an advanced stretch for the shin muscle, and basically what you do is you can do this barefooted or with your shoes on. You stand and you're gonna be tilting your feet outwards, kind of standing on the outside of your feet, and you're gonna be touching your toes, and you hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. At this point, you will be feeling stretch from the outside of your ankle all the way up. Again, you got to be careful with this one. You don't want to roll your ankles. So again, I'm going to repeat. You stand, slowly you go on the outside of your feet, and you hold them like this, and then you try to touch your toes, and you go all the way down, and you should be feeling the stretch on that area. You hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds, and you're going to be repeating this 4 to 5 times. You can do this barefooted, or you can have your running or gym shoes on. The other stretch that is really good for your shin muscle is stretching your hamstrings in a seated position. Basically, you sit, you're going to bend one foot like a figure 4, and you're going to bring your toes all the way towards you, and you're going to be reaching for your toes, and you should feel a stretch behind your calf. You hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you are done, you relax it, you switch sides, and you bring your toes towards your body, and you're going to be reaching for it, and you hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. You're going to be feeling the stretch underneath the calf. You're going to be repeating this 4 to 5 times. This is a side view of the same stretch. Basically, you bend one foot like a figure 4. You're going to bring your toes towards you, just like this, and you're going to be reaching for it. And you hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. When you're done, you switch sides. Again, make sure the toe is pointing you, and you're going to be reaching for it, and you should feel a stretch right there. Hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds and repeat it 4 to 5 times. Okay, that was all the stretches that you need to do at home or at the gym to treat your shin splints. Shin muscles, again, are muscles that they run alongside your legs, and they can get very tight, very spasmic by sport activities, especially cycling, running, and hiking. So it's really good to stretch them on daily basis, especially if you have shin splints. But before you go on attempting these stretches, make sure you see your healthcare provider to make sure you're okay to do these stretches. See you next time.